Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a honeycomb pattern plot using Python. So firstly we'll import the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical operations such as generating random data, and matplotlib is used for plotting the plots, and here matplotlib is used for plotting the hexagon chart. So now we'll generate some random data for plotting the plot. So here np.random, this generates 10,000 random points for both x and y following a normal distribution. So the data is centered around 0 with standard deviation of 1. So now we'll create the hexagon plot. So for that we'll write So here this creates a hexagonal binning plot where the density of plot in each hexagon is counted. Here grid size is 30 that controls the number of hexagon across the plot, and higher value is equals to smaller hexagons, and cmap is equals to blues. This uses a blue color gradient to represent density. Darker means the higher density, and H color outlines each hexagon in gray color. So here why we use hexagon instead of scatter? So basically a scatter plot may be hard to interpret for large data sets due to overlapping of points. So hexagon plot aggregate data to hexagonal bins, making it easier to visualize density variations. This is why we have used here hexagon plot, and now we'll add the colors. So this displays a color scale that represents the number of points in each hexagon, where label describes the color bar as count of points per hexagon. And now we'll add the titles and labels for the plot. So here this adds a suitable title to this plot. So this label the x-axis and y-axis, and now at last we'll display the plot. So for that we'll write plt.show. This renders and displays the plot, and now we can check this. Hence we can see a honeycomb pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.